this is an issue that I have been struggling with, and I couldn't figure out why. But as a seasoned professional chef like you, and you own businesses, bakit ba when and I'm like you, I'm a creature of habit. If I like this dish, lagi yun ang in-order ko. Tapos kung lumalaki naman yung restaurant and everything, but lumiliit yung serving. Why do they do that?
Wow, there's so many ways of answering that question. I guess, Uncle, it's yung scale. When you scale, things become different. Like it's, say, you're used to cooking 3 kilos of chicken adobo.
Okay.
Really well every single day. Then biglang pumatok yung adobo na yan. Biglang nag-viral. Kasi meron kang ibang nilagay na wow. So, mag-branch out ka. So there's so many factors.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Is your team ready?
Ready, yeah.
Is your equipment ready? Is your system ready?
Right.
So, if not, and then you push through, that's
kaya pala.
Yun.
Yeah.
I mean, we were like that. We had one sarsa. We did it really well. We did 2 really well. 3, we were, I think, struggling na. Then we went up to 6. Then now we're back to 1.
Yeah.
Because we're just good at that.
Yeah,
We're not, I mean, to each his own. To each his own, really.
Yeah,
Merong iba magaling sa marami, merong iba magaling sa isa or sa dalawa lang.